This Silo Season 2 Episode 6 is titled Barricade and it's expected to dive deeper into the ongoing chaos and division among the citizens of Salo 18. A rebellion has been brewing since Episode 2 Season 2. Following the shocking moment when everyone saw Juliette go over the hill. However, the situation escalated further after Bernard framed Meredith on Knox and Shirley a barricade was put in place to prevent them from escaping back to the deep down, but ultimately proved ineffective, according to the official synopsis from Apple TV Plus. Bernard will continue his relentless pursuit for blaming mechanicals for Meredith. He will come up with a new plan to get Knox, Shirley, and Walker out of hiding Manuel after Juliette falls unconsciously in Salo 17. And seen at the end of the previous episode, Solo will come to her rescue, but while he saving her life, he will not do without expecting something in return. Perhaps he wants Juliette's help in stopping the rising water levels in Salo 7. Salo Season 2 Episode 6 will be released next Friday, December 20, 2024.